I'm David Hutton of Plastics Today. Welcome to another edition of Plastics Today Week in Review, offering a look at some of the top headlines of the week. One news headline that certainly turned heads this week was Arburg's announcement it is pausing U.S. manufacturing expansion. The German machinery manufacturer has decided to pause its plans for manufacturing expansion in the U.S., citing economic uncertainty and volatile trade conditions. Instead, the company will prioritize necessary expansions and replacements while closely monitoring market developments, according to company officials. It also will continue with Chinese plans. It certainly will be interesting to see if this leads other companies to re-examine their North American strategies in 2026. We also learned that Jabil is winding down its operations in Clinton, Massachusetts. However, its NyproMold and NP Medical subsidiaries will continue to operate at the site, the company said. The company also said it expects Jabil's operations at the site to be completed by the end of November this year. Jabil provides manufacturing services with a specialization in electronics from more than 100 sites across the world, employing more than 140,000 people. It acquired Nypro, a custom injection molder serving the healthcare and other sectors, along with the Clinton campus in 2013. Another notable move is Plastic Ingenuity's expansion into Europe with its SpeziPac acquisition. The Cross Plains, Wisconsin-based custom thermoformer aims to enhance global healthcare packaging capabilities through localized production. This move also marks the first expansion outside of North America for Plastic Ingenuity. With the Plastic Ingenuity announcement, it's a perfect time to check out our interview with Sarah Weber, Technical Sales Engineer at Plastics Ingenuity. Let's check out that interview.
Hello, my name is Sarah Weber, and I am a Technical Sales Engineer at Plastic Ingenuity. We are a custom thermoformer here exhibiting at MD&M West. Today I want to talk about a little bit more about Plastic Ingenuity, what we do, and what we're showcasing at the show this year. So we are a custom thermoformer, so we create rigid thermoform packaging for the healthcare, pharmaceutical, and diagnostic market spaces. A few exciting things that we have happening at the show is we are launching our PureForm series. So that is our internally extruded material and roll stock, which is a suite of materials that we've curated to be the best in the industry to help our customers make conscious decisions about the materials that they choose for their products. Everything in terms of performance, quality, sustainability have been evaluated by our team of material experts to help our customers choose the best material for their sterile barrier packaging.
Plastics Industry Association Chief Economist Perk Panetta provided an overview of economic trends impacting the industry in a Plastics Today exclusive. Let's check out a segment from that video.
Today, I want to talk about something that's always making the headlines, but rarely discussed with plastics manufacturing, and that is interest rates. Let's start with the broader economy. The U.S. economy grew 2.2% last year. That tells us that the economy largely withstood the uncertainty surrounding higher tariffs. Growth slowed, but it was sustained. At the same time, on January 28th, the Federal Reserve kept the Fed funds rate steady at its current 3.5% to 3.75% range. That pause followed 3 25 basis point cuts last year as the economy expanded. So what does that mean for manufacturing and specifically for plastics? Plastics product manufacturing is highly interest rate sensitive. After the financial crises, plastics grew, the output of plastics, that is, grew steadily as the housing market recovered and interest rates remained at or below 2%.
To check out the full video with Dr. Panetta and more of our coverage, visit plasticstoday.com.